So, welcome to Cryptosphere Academy, where all things about crypto are made as simple as possible. In today's testnet activity, we'll be touching the Plaza Finance, which is one of the testnet activities we dropped in the classroom. If you wish to participate in this, you can go to the description below and you will find the link to perform this activity. So, grab your devices and let's do this together. Okay, so this is Plaza Finance. First off, you connect your wallet and sign yourself in. Then they'll have you agree to their terms and conditions. You confirm. So if you come in and you're seeing a different wallet address here, make sure you click to connect yours to remove whatever wallet address you are seeing there, and make sure it is yours that is here. So once that is done, you go and get test tokens. Okay, so as you can see, it says you have received some test tokens. Here you are asked to explore the plaza, earn points with each transaction. So let's go and earn some points. So here are the activities they expect you to perform on their platform. And they say these activities refresh daily. So make sure you come back often to collect your daily points or reward. So these are the actions they expect you to take. You should create, then this is what they want you to do. Create a bond or leverage token using the underlying faucet token. The amount of tokens created does not have an effect on the amount of points reward. A point is given for each token type created. The transaction itself is what counts. So if you like, create 1000 tokens. It is only the transaction they are looking for. So if you do these tasks, you get 8 points daily. So you can just do create one and you get your 8 points for that day. 4 points per day per token type. And these are the two types of tokens you can create. The next thing you have to do is redeem your bonded tokens back. So each time you do that, you get another 8 points per day. So obviously, since they are giving 4 points per day per token type, it means once you're done 2 times, they will not be giving you more than 8 points per day. So if you like do it 1000 times, you get only 8 points. Then claim coupons. You claim your USDC coupons for holding bond ETH. The amount of coupons received is driven by the bond ETH tokens held, and it does not affect whatever. So they are still telling you that your transaction counts. You get 4 points per claim per day. So they don't give you more than 4 points. So you're expected to make 4 plus 8 plus 8. That's the highest you can make per day each time you come back to do these tasks. So on social tasks, they expect you to connect your Discord, your Twitter, your email, your Farcaster, and level up in their Discord. So I think these are all they need you to do. Participate in the community. So in their Discord, you can go there and play some games, win some contests, follow up with quests in their Discord. So here they are giving you like an idea of what they expect you to be doing for them. So These are some collectibles you can get, and all these are only for people who participate in Discord. Mm. So while you're coming back to do the attacks, make sure you are in their Discord channel and participating as often as you can. So now we go into the testnet proper. So we are on my plaza. We need to we've gotten our chest tokens. I don't think they will allow you take chest tokens more than once. Let's try. Good. You can only use faucet once per day, as you can see. So I have to come back, every 24 hours to get more chest tokens. So from here, we need to get to our portfolio and buy us some tokens. So let's get some bond it. Okay, so we have 3,000 USDC that were given to us as our chest tokens. So we have to send, buy some bond it. So let me say I'm buying bond it with $500 out of my 3,000. I buy. It calls up my wallet. My wallet is asking me to add. So as I was trying to explain to one of you, sometimes some of these test nets we do have a mechanism to add their chain to your wallet simply because you're participating in that testnet. So you don't have to go back to chainlist.org to look for their chains to add it to your wallet. They automatically add their chain to your wallet with the mechanism they set on their testnet page. So that's what they did to me here. So the next thing we are buying is our lev it. We bought bond it. We are to buy lev it. Okay, so to buy lev it, we have one west east, which they gave us as their testnet token. So we are going to use some to buy this. So I'm going to spend like 0.2, which is about $555 to get this buy. So it calls up my wallet again. I sign, confirm, and my transaction is being approved. So after approving, it asks me to sign and confirm again, and my transaction is created. So we now have these two things done. Remember, they are counting our transactions. So we come to earn. We have already bought bond it. The next thing we have to do is to sell some of our bond it. As you can see, I have like 5. I'm not selling all. I want to sell like 1 for this. So basically what you're doing for them is testing all their available, transaction patterns, because this is how they will know it's working and then eventually move it to main net. So you helping them do this, you know, is what gets you paid, because you were part of the people who help them know what is working and what is not working. So this has successfully been done. I go back to earn, so I can come back later and claim coupons. So let's remember, you know, all the things they told us we could do here. So as you can see, my points are already loading. So redeem a bond, I got 4 points. Create leverage, I got 4 points. Create bond, I got 4 points from the activities I have done. So you have to come back every day to perform these activities. So I've gotten 12 points already on this wallet, and you can see people who started earlier have made up to 3,000 points and thereabouts. So you make sure to check the activities that you can repeat, so that you can do them and get the maximum points. I think there are activities that you can do twice and get more points. So you take note of those activities you can repeat. Make sure you do them and get those significant points. In order not to miss any of our lessons, kindly like and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on all our social media handles. The links to these will be in the description below. See you in the next lesson.